bacio. Dai, 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 bacio. Thank you very much.
Here is a place called Matias Locando. It's a restaurant. You can buy it there.
We had long yearned for the French route of the Camino de Santiago, but when it came time to actually go, it was a spontaneous decision. We chose the most iconic section from Sarria to Santiago de Compostela, approximately 115 kilometers. This stretch is not only scenic and well equipped with services along the way, but it also meets the minimum walking distance required, 100 kilometers, to earn the Compostela pilgrimage certificate. Due to a nationwide power outage in Spain, our originally scheduled train from Madrid to Sarria on April 28 was cancelled, and the train service was again cancelled the following day. As a result, we had to take an Uber taxi to Sarria on the afternoon of April 29, arriving later than planned along with a couple we met at Chamartín train station in Madrid. Upon arrival in Sarria, we immediately went to obtain the pilgrim passport, Credencial del Peregrino.
아?
高类的，又便宜又好吃，所以就看了就耐流得了。
Sarria is a charming town in the province of Lugo, in the autonomous community of Galicia, northwestern Spain. It is most famous as the most popular starting point for pilgrims walking the Camino de Santiago, particularly the French way, Camino Francés. Key facts about Sarria. Population, around 13,000. Region, Galicia. Province, Lugo. Elevation, 450 meters. Why pilgrims start in Sarria? It is just over 100 kilometers from Santiago de Compostela, which is the minimum distance required to earn the Compostela certificate. The route from Sarria to Santiago is well marked, scenic, and has plenty of accommodations, cafes, and pilgrim services. Daily train and bus connections make it relatively easy to reach from Madrid, Santiago, or Lugo.